Good morning, y'all. Welcome out to the patio. So I wanted to do a quick update on the YouTube live idea that I came up with earlier in the week. So what I have discovered is that I can't do it. Yep, can't do it. I don't think I have the equipment to do it, not where it's going to be effective and we're going to be able to interact and those types of things. So what I want to do, I still want to do the live because I think it's a great opportunity for us to come together and share ideas and just work through some of the challenges maybe that we're having. Like right now I'm still on this whole paper challenge thing. But we can come together, share ideas. I want to do that. So my workaround is, let's start a Facebook group. So we have a Facebook group now called We Got a Plan. If you are interested in doing those Facebook Live kind of things, it'll be a smaller group, which I kind of like. You know, we won't have 1,000 people in it or 5,000 people in it. It'll just be a really small group. It'll give us a chance to kind of get to know each other. We can share some ideas. We can share some tips. So if you're interested in those live feeds, go ahead and join the Facebook group. It's going to be called We Got a Plan, and it's already up and running. I'm going to leave a link at the bottom. By no means, and I'm just putting this out here again because if y'all have been watching my videos, you know I'm not a professional YouTuber. I doggone sure ain't a professional like Facebooker person. And Snapchat, Snapchat's still like way up here for me. So we can learn together, we can have some fun. I think it'll be a great place to kind of post ideas, post tips, and some of those kind of things, and just get to know each other and help. You guys can help me learn some stuff, and maybe we can help each other learn some stuff. So if you like that idea, go ahead, join the group. The link will be in the bottom. Give the video a thumbs up so I can get an idea of what kind of response we're going to get on this whole journey. And until next time, remember, we all got a plan. We just all do it a little bit differently. Enjoy.